Alright, hi guys, this is Moab. Why is it so hard?
Yeah, I think we did something wrong, eh? She's a bit fucked.
Bit of a weird start. We are in the house, not actually a car. It's because, you know, had a few drinks last night, did a bit of hectic shit.
Oh! Alright, let's go. Can't fuck!
This is Taj this morning. It's like 12 o'clock, midday, and he's dead. So it looks like I'm doing this video by myself. Just have to fucking step over this cunt. Alright guys, so today's video, gonna how to change your oil in your little car. That sounded a bit shit. Anyway, yeah, so what you're gonna do is get under the car, find your sump plug, which mine, that's mine there. Yeah, so what you're gonna do, get your socket on it and just undo it just a touch until you can start undoing it with your fingers. Fuck off, bucket, cunt. Why is it so hard? Alright. Okay, there we go, guys. So now I've undone it. I've just undone the first little thread so I can take it off. And yeah, start unscrewing. Remember, first rule, always take the oil out when it's hot, because that means all the oil will come out and it's thinner, which is good. Secondly, when it is hot, it's going to be very hot. So remember to, when you undo the sump plug, try and remove your fingers as quick as you can. Doesn't matter if the sump plug goes into the oil, because you can just grab it out later with a magnet or just your hands if you're a fucking cool cunt like me. So just undo it, and when you start to see oil leaking, oh, well, there we go. That's how it's done. That's the easiest way to do it, and that's, yeah, you know. Okay guys, so after you've taken your sump plug out and let all the oil drain out, you want to put oil back in it, obviously. Well, I mean, if you're a hard cunt, you just don't put oil in it. There is one rule about buying oil: always get the cheapest shit you can buy. So this was 38 bucks for 5 litres. It was the cheapest and cheap. After you've brought the cheapest oil you can, you want to buy an oil filter. If you're a respectable person and you want to do an actual oil change, you want to buy an oil filter. Again, same rules apply. Buy the cheapest shit you can.
That wasn't the cheapest.
No, this wasn't the cheapest. But the other one seemed fucking dodgy as shit. And even though I am dodgy, that was just too dodgy. So yeah, this is a super cheap Ryco oil filter. Remember to get the same number as your car takes, or else it just won't fit and you'll leak oil and you'll blow your engine. Yeah.
Oh, there's a few,
few
metal chunks
in there.
as well.
A few metal chunks in there too. I think that's a bit of limiter bashing shit in there, but that's alright. Alright guys, so time to set the oil filter out. This is it here. Remember to put the bucket under it, because as it says in the name, there is oil in it, so it will leak again, like the sump, unless, you know, you're running your engine dry. Nice. So depends on your car which way is easiest to take it out. Mine's gonna be out from the top. So it should be hand tight, depending on how fucked your car is. Mine was hand tight. Taj's car, who's the other mechanic, his oil filters were like fucking rock solid in there. Alright, this is your oil filter. If you're a mad lad, if you're a mad lad, you're just gonna fucking send it. Put this straight on. If you actually want to save your oil filter, you've got to put a little bit of oil on it. So I'm just gonna. That's not enough. So I'm just gonna, without dropping the GoPro, dip my finger in. Then all you want to do, and all the people are gonna see is just the GoPro going. Alright, so yeah, you can hold it. Yeah. So all you want to do, get a bit of your old oil. It should be black. It looks pretty black.
just rub it around the seal, just so it makes a good seal right in there, so it gets really inside the nice threads. And there you go. And as the same as taking it off, it does depend where your oil filter is. Some might take it from the bottom, some might take it from the top. Mine's going to be easiest from the top. Alright, so now we've put the sun plug back in, put the oil filter on. Now we're going to put the oil in. Now obviously, you put all the oil until it starts coming out the top. You fill it all the way to the top. That's as much. That tells you that the engine is full of oil and it should be fine. So just go ahead and take your cap off. That was really fucking loose. And pour all the oil, and then when it gets to that bit there, just stop and it's fine. It's full. So that's as much as you want. But if you're gonna do it correctly, we gotta check how much oil this bitch takes. We got a Toyota Corolla 1974.
What do we have?
1998. We got a 1.6 litre petrol.
Are you sure it's a 1.6? I thought it was 1.5.
I don't know. But 1.5 then. Shouldn't know what's the difference. Yeah, it's probably that one. Just click the first one. Who cares? It's going to be the same oil. Engine oil. It needs 2.6 litres. So, obviously, 2.6 litres is the whole bottle. So just tip the whole bottle in and you should be right. I don't see a problem. Do you see a problem?
No.
Yeah, exactly. Alright, so once you've got the oil cap off your oil, you gotta tip it in. Never do it like this. The oil will just glug and it would not be good. Unless you're a mad lad. You do it like this and the oil will not glug. Oh shit! Yeah, nah, a bit fucked up there, eh? Yeah, you're gonna need a little bit more. This is a bit fucked. Okay, so now we've got about 2.4 litres left, which is fine because we had 5 litres in here, take 2.6 litres. So we've got 2.4 left, and that's good. Alright, so we've put the oil in, put the sun plug back in, put the oil filter on. Remember, don't go in that order. Sun plug, oil filter, oil. Unless you're a mad lad, do the oil first. So yeah, now I'm just going to go and start it and see if it starts.
Yeah, I think we did something wrong, eh? She's a bit fucked. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. I got the immobiliser.
And that is how you change your oil. So, yeah, this is Moab. You will be seeing this mad lad a bit more. He's pretty good. He's pretty good. He knows a lot about cars. And yeah. So, me, you, and it's locked. Ah, no, it's not. And this guy, we'll be back with a video very soon. See you later. Fucking Moab.